Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we take you back to the Silver Bowl in Mount Carmel, Pennsylvania. It's Friday night, November 8th, 1985. Kickoff is at 8 o'clock, and the Red Tornadoes are entertaining the Shikellamy Braves. This is the final game of the 1985 season, Game 11. And now the starting lineup for the visiting Shikellamy Braves. At left end, number 7, Todd Tilford. Left tackle, 74, John Schosch. Left guard, 67, Rick Scheip. Center, 73, David Lytle. Right guard, 64, Ken Roush. Right tackle, 76, Doug Hine. Right end, 84, Kurt Hart. The quarterback, number 11, Ken Smith. Left halfback, number 10, Dan Corbin. Right halfback, number 36, Joe Kremer. And the flanker back is Frank Barnhart, and it's either 23 or 25 that he wears. Reel number 1 was missing from our archives, so we're picking up the game at the start of the second half. Red Tornadoes are in the dark uniform. And now Shikellamy, after that completion, with a 1st and 10 at the 43. Number 7, John Corbin on the carry, loses to number 87, Charlie Cole on the stop. 2nd and 12 at 45, number 36, Kremer held to no gain. 3rd and 12 at the 45, number 7, Corbin. A halfback option pass is incomplete. Number 32, Lotchop, broke it up. And now the Shikellamy punt to the goal line is returned by number 44, Mike Aronsfield, to the 12, Lawrence on the stop. 1st and 10 at the 12, 44, Aronsfield on the carry, takes it to the 47, Mike Bogovich on the stop, number 45. And now at 1st and 10 at the Shikellamy 43, number 22, Matt Kranick, ball carrier, 65, Bob Lytle on the stop, loss of 1. 2nd and 11 at the 44, penalty on Shikellamy. And now part of the film was missing. We pick up further actions. Number 80, quarterback Herprich hits number 44, Aronsfield, and he goes out of bounds at the 25. Picking up further action now. 1st and 10, Shikellamy at the 17. 36, Kremer held to no gain. 2nd and 10 at the 17. Smith's long pass is overthrown. 3rd and 10. And now we go to 1st and 10 at the Schick 13. Aronsfield picks up 2. 2nd and 8 at the 11. Aronsfield takes it to the 3. And now on 1st and goal at the 3, Aronsfield gets into the end zone for the TD. Kaminsky's placement kick is good. And the scoreboard with 28 seconds left in the 3rd quarter, Mount Carmel area 7, Shikellamy 6. Mount Carmel's kickoff is covered at the Shikellamy 47. Looked like number 64, Ken Roush. First and 10 at the 17. Quarterback number 11. Smith's pass is broken up. Second and 10 at the 47. And it is the last play of the third quarter as Shikellamy picks up 7 yards. On third and 3 at the 46, quarterback pitch to 36 Kramer. He gets 2, but there's a penalty on the play. At first and 10, at second and 4 at the 36, Tornadoes get the pitch man, 6-yard loss, and fumble recovery. First and 10 at the 42, number 44, Aaronsfield picks up 2. Second and 8 at the 44, Aaronsfield is caught in the backfield, loss of 2 by 64 Roush. Third and 10 at the 42, number 80, Kirpich pass is incomplete. Fourth and 10 at the 42, the Red Tornado punt is picked up at the 16. Here comes the punt now. A 1-yard loss on the return back to the 15. Shikellamy with a first and 10 at their own 15. Pitch to the wingback and a pickup of 3 yards. On second and 7 at the 18, looked like number 36 Kramer gets 2. Third and 5 at the 20, quarterback number 11 Smith's pass is incomplete. On fourth and 5 at the 20, the punt is muffed by number 32 and recovered by Shikellamy. Scoreboard, 6:49 left in the game. First and 10, Schick at their own 43. Quarterback 11, Smith's pass is caught. Looked like number 34, Lard, to the 50. Second and 3 at the 50, penalty of Mount Carmel. First and 10 at the 45, Smith's pass is intercepted at the 32 by, was either 24 Greco or 83 Gawatsky. First and 10 at the 22, an unidentified back gets 2 yards to the 24. Second and 8 at the 24, and now we go to third and 8 at the 24. Aaronsfield picks up 13 yards out to the 37. On first and 10 at the 37, Aaronsfield, again with the carry, takes it to the Schick 48, a 15-yard pickup. Red Tornadoes first and 10 at the Shikellamy 48, and Aaronsfield this time loses 2 as Bogusz makes the tackle back at the 50. Second and 12 at the 50, Aaronsfield gets 2 to the 48. Third and 10 at the 48 on a draw, tripped up by Mark Bogovich at the Schick 49. Mount Carmel area's punt is down at the 9-yard line by Rick Long, number 27. First and 10 at the 9. Quarterback number 1, Smith's pass completed, but there's a 5-yard penalty on the Red Tornadoes. On first and 5 at the 17, halfback option pass, and something happened here. We either stole the ball or there was a fumble. Number 80, Kirpich, takes a knee, and then on second and 10 at the 18, it's the final play of the game, and the score ends Mount Carmel 7, Shikellamy 6. And in this 1985 encounter at the Silver Bowl, the final game of the 1985 season at Mount Carmel, Pennsylvania, was the Mount Carmel area Red Tornadoes 7, the Shikellamy Braves 6. For Mount Carmel area, this is all-time win number 564. The following individuals have volunteered their time and expertise to preserve the great tradition of Mount Carmel football.